CIOs, CTOs, CDOs, and their organization, should they ever feel threatened when they take a buy decision versus build?
The answer for this could change in a digitally native company to a traditional company. In traditional companies, yes, I fully agree with you. Typically, the CTOs would like to have full control or a sense of control. Whether they have it or not is a mute point, So they would like to have a sense of control that yes, my team is controlling the entire solution, good or bad, whatever, right? That could be there in traditional companies. But the good news is even traditional companies, if you look at it, many of them are getting into digital transformation initiatives. Why are they doing it? Actually, they don't have an option. Right. Because on the B2C side, the whole technology, the implementation solution is going forward so quickly. Even their own clients, who are maybe in B2B are also demanding that, hey, why can't you deliver it faster? Like the way you said,
Yes.
Why can't the retailers in small cities also ask for a faster deliveries?
Yes.
Why only metro distributors get all the things?
Exactly.
So therefore there is a pressure on traditional companies also. But I agree that from the point of view of this whether they are feeling comfortable or not, they may not be. But in a digitally native companies, I think the comfort level of outsourcing or shall we say going to a SaaS provider must be much better. And one more reason why digital native companies would be a little more comfortable, I guess, would be because the CIOs and CTOs there would be, I'm making an assumption here that they'll be smart enough to understand that it's much easier and faster time to market. The integration pipelines are many times very standard these days, and therefore they can manage. And secondly, they don't need to divert resources from whatever they are already working, right? Because the SaaS solution is going to come as an out of the box, ready to integrate and so on. The only thing in all this is whether it is a SaaS vendor or the company which is going to take the solution, both should be careful about the change management aspect.